Welcome to Dan's Tasty Travels. That's right, we're rebranding in the middle of the Taiwan videos. And that's a good thing because today we're heading out on an incredible journey from Taichung to one of Taiwan's most breathtaking destinations, the Sun Moon Lake. If you were to take the bus or public transportation from Taichung to Sun Moon Lake, it takes about 4 hours. So instead of that, I opted into renting a car, cutting the travel time from 4 hours to 1.5 hours, which means I can easily stop for some snacks, look at the view, or take a quick selfie. In this video, we'll be going to some popular sightseeing stops along the way to Sun Moon Lake. Our first stop is Hizuki Town, a cozy and scenic spot to relax, take some photos, and maybe grab a small souvenir. Definitely visit the cozy bookstore and explore the souvenir shops. You might find some perfect gifts or a unique keepsake. Also, you can grab a quick bite or boba drink. Sometimes there are even live performances waiting for you there. Next up, I visit the Hohocha Tea Factory, renowned for its Sun Moon Lake black tea. The rich, robust flavors of this tea are something you'll definitely want to try. The factory also offers free samples of their tea and the delicious tea eggs. The tea eggs are steeped in the spiced tea mixture at low heat for a long time. It was incredibly tasty and is probably the best tea egg I've ever had. So definitely worth a stop here and try their tea and eggs if you have a chance to. Finally, I arrived at the iconic Sun Moon Lake. Nestled in the heart of Taiwan, this lake is the largest alpine lake in the country. Its name comes from its unique shape. The east side resembles a sun, while the west side mirrors a crescent moon. Sun Moon Lake has a rich history too. Originally a natural water reservoir for the Tao people, one of Taiwan's indigenous groups. The lake holds deep cultural and spiritual significance for them. And in the early 20th century, it became a vital source of hydroelectric power under Japanese rule, transforming it into the beautiful and iconic destination we know today. Its waters, surrounded by lush mountains, continue to attract visitors from around the world. And now we've arrived at Yishadao Wharf. As the sun set, this place transformed into a lively foodie haven. Think of this place as a night market with lakeside view that's open throughout the day. The food here is next level. From savory snacks to sweet treats, you'll want to try everything. My personal favorite though is the bun with egg and pork belly in the middle. It's fluffy, juicy, and irresistible. With so many options, it's easy to lose track of time, but be sure to check your time and make sure you don't miss your boat back. Also, bring a friend so you can try more things. As the night comes to the close, we're moving on to the room tour. Here we are, we're at the Yuan Shu B&B. And this is the location. Here is the bathroom to the left. Once you get in the door, there's a bathroom. It's pretty basic, not as fancy, but it has all the things that you need. It's really cute downstairs, and a lot of owls, and more owls. And the bed is nice and fluffy. There's the Wi-Fi information and the other information. There's also breakfast served here, so it's included with the price. And there's a little area where you can just hang out and chill. There's a little fridge. You can boil some water. There's some Taiwan top black tea and a cafe latte. The other one is the coffee. Ooh, Mr. Brown. Love Mr. Brown. And this is the go outside. There is raining pretty hard, so that's it. There's the outdoor area. You can breathe some fresh air if it's not raining. And that's about it for the room tour. There's a bunch of hangers here. You can hang stuff. And that's that. As you can tell, Yuan Shu B&B has an owl theme to it. They also include a free breakfast in the morning. The breakfast was pretty good. It felt like a home-cooked meal. And the owners were super nice, super awesome. It was raining when I arrived. They brought an umbrella for me. They let me borrow an umbrella when I walk out late at night to get some food. Overall, it was very attentive, very good customer service, and I would definitely visit again if I were to go back. I hope you liked this video on the iconic Sun Moon Lake. My Taiwan trip is nearing its end, and a lot of the content, the rest of it, is just going to be periodic, spread out. So I might make some shorts here and there, but there will definitely be a long form video regarding the 5-star hotel that I stayed at in Taipei, Taiwan. So stay tuned for that one. Other than that, remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And welcome to Dan's Tasty Travels. Take care.